Latest no transfer news sanibona bafethu uvane lo amathema amaningi athenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga na so ngizoqala nje ngeindaba ezihamba phambili regarding amakhosi the Kaizer Chiefs. So ke Kaizer Chiefs are on the verge of completing a signing okuba na okuyona Fabish. Lo mdlali ke lo bafethu bekumdlali ozalelwe kuphi na eZimbabwe but ke ibhola bedlala le phesheya umjida akakaze adlale ibhola laseZimbabwe. Bedlalela iNational team phela yakhona eZimbabwe. Umjida ke kungenzeka ajoine iKaizer Chiefs umjida ubonakalile eOR Tambo yabo but ke akakabi clear ukuthi ke ingabe uyena ozoya kwiKaizer Chiefs noma ke kukhona omunye umdlali because ikhona amanye ama-links amlinkayo lo mjida lo with iMarumo Gallants. So akakabi clear currently ukuthi ke iyiphi team engenzeka ukuthi ke imsayine but ke ubonakalile izolo eOR Tambo ehlika umjida ephuma lepheshe. But ke I can assure you if kubonakala imoto yayo iKaizer Chiefs le quantum yayo eyellow ekhona eOR Tambo, I think that is clear iKaizer Chiefs iyona ezom-announce lo mjida lo okuba na okuyona Fabish. Singesazi ke you can tell me in the comments, you can go and watch his clips if you think he will be a good player for iKaizer Chiefs. I've seen some of his clips. Umjida impela is very good, udlala futhi eswini. Let's hope iKaizer Chiefs if imsayina umjida izomqalisa imdlalisa ama games amaningi. I really like what they are doing currently. They are recruiting players who are going to play in that midfield. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje, the former Orlando Pirates and Cape Town City midfielder okuba now Miguel Team have been announced as the new signing of a club edlalele kwi-NFD okuyini na okuyi-Hope FC. Hope FC, they are currently recruiting a lot of players because another player who was spotted there ubani na uFreki Lucky announcer as their new signing but he was spotted training with yona iHope FC wearing the gear of iHope FC. You see ngisakuyona nje iHope FC, Orlando Pirates have signed a young teenager from yona iHope FC, igama lakhe umjida uEdmilson Cheney. Umjida ke currently uzoba in loan and another player othengwe yona Orlando Pirates imthenga kuyona iHope FC. Orlando Pirates have signed uLonwabo Magugwana but ke Orlando Pirates opted to loan this player back to the Immortals, which is Hope FC. Kwezinye izindaba namhlanje, Pitso Mosimane launched a new program. This program is called Youth Football. Pitso Mosimane launched Youth Football Coaching Manual. You see, this coaching manual will help young coaches in developing youngsters. You see, it will help those coaches who are on the gases, who are on the townships and develop the youngsters because they want to develop the young ones, the next generation of coaches. Benze show ukuthi ke mebe coach abacoacha kanjani and how do they teach and take care of a young talent. You see, I really like what coach did uPitso Mosimane akwenzile but yeah, we were expecting some other news from yena uPitso Mosimane namhlanje but yeah, there is a story for another day because he made us wait for July 23. Today is July 23 but he told us regarding yona lento le but he spoke about the news regarding the Bafana coach. He didn't say much but he really hinted that he submitted some of his works yona Bafana but they spoke with him. They told him there are some other candidates abakhuluma nawo. They told him to submit his plans after the World Cup. Yabo, he must show Bafana what he wants to achieve with the team after the World Cup. You see, Pitso Mosimane, you know Pitso Mosimane really likes the challenge. Each and every team Africa Kiona, he really wants to win something. So he's a winner. Let's hope with Bafana, if it happens, he becomes the #1 man. Let's hope he wins something with the Bafana. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile, Mamelodi Sundowns have agreed to part ways with the Portuguese midfielder. I recently spoke about this, Miguel Rezinho. Njengoba bephathe ways with Miguel Rezinho, Mamelodi Sundowns are pushing for a move for a South American player Mateo Tanlongo. Lo mdlali ke lo bafethu ubedlalela iSporting. Currently udlalela iSporting. So I spoke about this move. So Mamelodi Sundowns are really pushing for this move. Let's hope they are going to come back with this player because they are currently playing their preseason games overseas. So when they come back, maybe they will come back with the player. Maybe they will assess the player while they are overseas. We don't know. But Mamelodi Sundowns have parted ways with their midfielder Miguel Rezinho. Yebo, izona indaba ke kuyona iMultiSign. Kwezinye izindaba bafethe Bradley Grobler umjida ngenzeka ayithole edlalela amanye ama-clubs akhona kwi-Betway Premiership okubalwa khona Steelers eNamazulu. Iwona currently ama-club are interested in signing the player, but ke okwamanje naso isikhukhune sifuna ukumresigna umjida simnikeze another contract. If you remember, uKadoso naye wathola another contract after he was released by yona isikhukhuna. Sasho isikhukhuna uthi no, kumele sikubuyise ndoda, even though i-contract yakhe iphelile kumele ke sikunikeze another contract with us because usize kakhulu last season. Maybe same story with yena ubani na uBradley Grobler, because last season Bradley Grobler was very very good for isikhukhune United, so I wouldn't write it off ukuthi ke umjida ngenzeka abuyele. Maybe ke Gavin Hunt might intervene in this situation and speak with his former player Bradley Grobler, amtshela ukuthi ke we've played so many games with you Bradley Grobler, I've coached you on many occasions, you must come to Steelers. Maybe ke amaZulu they might intervene and give the player a contract angakwazi ukuthi ke ayinqabe because imali yona ekhulumayo currently, yebo. So kukuyena kumjida uze yipi contract ayisayinayo between Steelers, amaZulu and Sekhukhune United. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile, Orlando Pirates are interested in signing Thapelo Makobodi from Steelers. Thapelo Makobodi is a midfielder umjida udlala ngempela lapha esiswini. There might be some other issues regarding Orlando Pirates. Many people may say it's because ukulimala kwabaninaka uNemdajela. uNemdajela currently he's not training with the Orlando Pirates le Spain, yabo. Njoba nje engekho eSpain currently uNemdajela, Orlando Pirates are looking for potential replacements akhe ubani na uNemdajela. Yes, some may say there are players who are playing in the midfield for Orlando Pirates currently. Why are they signing another midfielder? But you have to look at this. Lo mjida lo udlala as number 8 and now uNemdajela is a number 8. Number 8 was now right now ubani na uyena uTalente Mbatha, and uTalente Mbatha is a player. uTalente Mbatha is a player that usually gets injured easily, yabo. So you cannot rely kakhulu kuyena uTalente Mbatha, so you need a player ozokwazi ke amvalele leso sikhala, yabo, because ingenzeka phela osilepe sibabone belonwa, so you may never know, yabo, asazi. So let's see and wait if le deal izokwenza. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile, the former Baroka defender uMlungisi Mkhwanazi have been spotted kwi-Motsepe Foundation ejima with iLerumo Lions FC. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile, kuthiwa ke iYanga have reached i-agreement with iChippa United to sign umdlali odlalela iChippa United okuJustice Figueiredo, the former Richards Bay player. I recently spoke about this, but ke umshida kubuya ngathi ke ngenzeka asayine kungekudala bazomreveala nje as their newest signing, i-signing yokuqala eyenziwe uManqoba Mnqithi as the new head coach. Ezinye izindaba eziphumile, kuthiwa ke iMotsepe Foundation team iHope FC they are assessing the former Mamelodi Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs midfielder okuKeegan Dolly. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile, iwinga leTS Galaxy ubani nawo uWilliam Oduro. William Oduro bafethu uthola ama-interest from iclub ebizwa ngeVision FC. Umjida una 26 years old, ujoyine ama-Rockets last year ngoMay from iclub ebizwa ngeHoho United yaseGhana, yabo. Lo mdlali ke lo bafuna ukumsayina kodwa ke bamsayine on a loan, asayinwe iyona le club le ebizwa ngeVision United, yabo. Ibizwa iVision FC actually, not Vision United. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile, the former Magesi defender uJohn Mokone umjida ubonakale ejima with iDurban City FC. Umjida ke udinga iclub entsha njengoba nje izoqala isizini. We'll never know, umjida ke ngenzeka asayine as the new defender yayo iDurban City. So there are many players who are currently doing trials with the teams akhona amaningi la ku-Betway Premiership, so you might see this player signing with iDurban City. You'll never know. Kwezinye zeyindaba, other teams are assessing players. Gomora FC assessa uKeleto Sifama, Boikanyo Komane, Thabo Mosadi, Thato Lingwati and Lejane Phalane. Labajida ke ibona aba assesswa yona iGomora currently.